Hello everyone. Today our objective is we'll learn how to create a dance party in Scratch. So in order to create a dance party, we need to take care of three important things. Number one is changing the sprite. Number two, changing a proper background. And number three, adding sound. So let's zoom in.
So I have created a new file and this is the plain white background with my cat character within the stage. By default, it is a cat character and we already know that the sprite is the character or the object that we use in making the computer program. As mentioned, there are three parts in making this particular program. Let's start with the first part, choosing an appropriate background. So let's choose the option of choose a backdrop and let's use the option of indoors category, and within the indoors category we can choose the concert option. So we can see that the backdrop or the background of the stage has changed from white to a backlight stage. We can now bring a new sprite character and delete the cat character from the stage. We can use the delete button here and we can choose the appropriate sprite from the option choose a sprite within the library, and let's use the option of people category and let me use the option of ballerina. Please remember, while choosing the particular sprite, you should keep in mind that the particular sprite should have more than one costumes. You can check the costumes from going to the option of costumes in your left hand corner. And here, for example, ballerina has four different costumes named as ballerina A, this one is B, ballerina C, and ballerina D. So I am not adding a different sprite, but I want to have different looks of the same sprite. Now I will go to my code again and I will start writing the particular script for ballerina. So as we know that will starts with the option of triggering the program, let me choose the when green flag is clicked from the event category. And then we can use the option of looks and we can use the option of switch costume option and drag it here. After that, we can use the option of control because I want my ballerina to change its costume, and wait for different seconds. Let it wait for 0.25 seconds. And then I will again go to the costumes. I will use the option of choose switch costume to ballerina A. So we can see that from the drop down arrow we can change it to ballerina B, for example, and then ballerina A, and here it is ballerina C, and then similarly we'll just repeat the same step. Now here if you click the green flag, you can see that the ballerina is dancing. Now I want this particular program to run forever, so I will go to the control option again and I will use the forever loop and I can drag and place it here. Now if you click the green button, you can see that the ballerina keeps on dancing forever. Now the second important thing is we can change the background by adding some colorful lights to it. So we can customize the background to make it feel much more realistic. Add some colorful lights to my background. I can choose the option of backdrops, which I have already selected. I will click on it and I will see the option of different backdrops and sounds. Then I can go to my option of backdrops on my topmost corner and I can customize the background. So you can see you can paint different ways your background. So I will use the circle and I can put different circles here. You can add different colors to the same circles And you can add colors by selecting appropriate color, for example here, and you can use the backfill option to add colors. You can use the right click option and you can duplicate the similar backdrop and change the colors of the circle. So you will create duplicate so that you can see that the two duplicate stages are formed. Now you can use again the fill color option to change the colors of the circle. Now we can write the particular code for this particular changing of colors. So I will select the code option and then I can write the particular script for changing the colors of the light in the background. So now I can again use start with the control events option so that I can click my green flag. After clicking the green flag, you go to the looks category, switch backdrop to. Now here you have automatically as backdrop 1, but if you drag, if you see the backdrop concert 1 and concert 2 option, so we can start from the concert and then it can wait for 1 second. For example, you can get the 1 second from the control category. So let it wait for 1 second and then it will change its backdrop to concert 2, that is the colors with different light. And then it can again wait for 1 second. So this is the way you can use to change the colors of the background, but I want it to happen forever. So of course I will use the forever loop. So you can fix this within the forever option. Now we can check our code. So the lights are changing and ballerina is dancing. Now one last thing that's left is we need to add sound to our particular character program. So click the stop button and then I will add an appropriate sound. Now for adding a sound, you need to click on ballerina and come back to your original stage and then you can select the particular sound first of all. So I will go to sounds and you can select an appropriate sound from the library. I have selected for this example the dance party and here you can dance celebration and here automatically it is imported. You can select other sounds as per your choice. So I will go to code again and then I will use the option of sound category and then I will use play sound until done. It will be a separate code and then this will be triggered when green flag is clicked. This is the way you can start to make a dance party and then this I want it again to be in a forever loop. So I can go to control and then this can play forever. So you can check using the green flag. The sound is there and ballerina is dancing. You can select more than one sprite and you can add the particular same type of code within each sprite. So we'll remember what we have used just for recapitulation. First, when green flag is clicked, forever, switch costume to, wait for some seconds, then switch to the next costume, then similarly wait for next seconds, and so on. And for the backdrop, I have used the similar category of codes, that is, when green flag is clicked, forever, switch backdrop to concert, then switch backdrop to concert 2, where concert, concert 2 and concert 3 are different costumes of the background. Similarly, for the sound category also, I have used the option of when green flag is clicked, forever, play sound, celebrate to until done.
So students, We have come to an end of our today's class. I hope that you have understood how we can create a dance party in Scratch. Don't forget to share your experience of creating variety of dance party in Scratch within the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.